Hi guys, this is Formless Tree 4 here with a new program for you guys. It's called Simple Menu System. Now, what it does is it takes whatever you put into the program and it makes a menu, obviously, of a maximum of 6 games. Now, with the release of each version, I have included new features. Well, 1.3 is basically a complete rewrite of the entire program. And it's a little confusing, so I'm going to show you how it actually works. So, what we're going to do is when you download the program, you're going to open up to something like this. It's going to have six things, 2 folders, and 4 items. Now, these 2 items, do not worry about these. I'll explain what they're for later. The one you need to really worry about right now is this right here, the encryptor program. Now, we have to edit the form data first. So, let's go into form data. As you can see, there's only 2 form options, the main form and then the first game form. So let's edit the first game form first. As you can see, everything is now in one little text file. So let's open the text file, resize the window. So we're going to go ahead and edit this. Let's change the form title. Let's use game 1. The game name can be the same as the form title if you want. I'll just do that. Game description, a random description. Picture location is optional. I included a check to make sure you didn't put anything wrong inside it. So this is optional if you want. I'm going to leave it blank because no need for it. Game location. I don't have an actual game to show y'all because I just don't. So this is going to stay like that too. Launch button. Basically it's the button that you click when you want to load the game. I'm going to make it say load game 1. Do we want a custom cursor? Now, with the old version, you could not use colored cursors or animated cursors. I have fixed that. You can use anything. You can use a colored cursor, an animated cursor, pretty much any cursor. So, I'm just going to leave that blank because I don't have a cursor right now. Icon, same thing. It's this thing right here. The little in the top left-hand corner of the program. I don't have a custom icon right now either. So, the game author, Formless Tree 4. It was finished on, let's see, incomplete. Now, the latest feature is background music. I don't know if it loops or not, so somebody's going to have to test that out and figure it out right now because I don't have any time to mess with it at the moment. So, we're going to save this data file. There. That's the form 1 data. Let's go back. Let's mess with the main form data. Now, as you can see, I have included options for all 6 buttons, but we only need to edit button 1. So, button 1. Show game 1. Form title, menu system. Save. Alright. Now, unfortunately, the other buttons will show, but later on I'll make an option to fix that. Now comes the encryptor. We load it. And where is it going to open? Okay, here is the encryptor. We're going to browse for a file. And as you can see, mine is already pointed to the data file. The unencrypted data file is just that, it's just a text document. We're going to open it. They're going to hit encrypt. And the file was successfully encrypted. If we want to check that, there is our data file now. We have no use for this text document, but I recommend keeping it for your own usage so you can edit the program later, because you know the encryption file, it's not user friendly. So now we need to encrypt the main form too. Data, encrypt, there. Now the program is ready to run. Because it does not read the text documents, it reads these instead. So, let's run the program. And as you can see, there's show game 1. The other buttons don't do anything as of now. Show game 1. And as you can see, Here is how the new form looks. It's got the game name, author, and the completion date. Then it has just the description here, the load button, and a cancel button. The load button, if I hit it, it's not going to work because, see, I incorrectly added the game path. It does an error check. We can do continue because the program will run just fine still. So we can cancel this, and we can close the program. As you can see, everything works like it should. Later releases will include more bug fixes, a few more features, but this is a basic tutorial on how to actually use the program. If you need any questions, just send me a private message on RMXP Unlimited, and I will respond as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this tutorial.